On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is one of the easiest strategies that you can use to make money as a complete beginner with affiliate marketing. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you the product that you can promote in a free traffic source that you can use to promote the offer so that you can get people to purchase it for you to make money with affiliate marketing. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. In this case, I'm using Store24. Store24 is available worldwide, and the best part is that they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to receive your money. So all that you need to do is that you have to search for Store24. Once you search for it, you can create a free account. Once you create your account, you can be able to get offers that you can promote to earn money from home as a complete beginner. Once you create your account on Store24, what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on this platform, so what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on it, you can be able to get offers that you can promote to make money from home. As I scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. On this platform, they have a lot of different categories of offers that you can promote. So all that you need to do is that you have to select the category that you want so that you can find the available offers that you can promote to make money. If you want digital products, click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different subcategories of digital products. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want physical products, you can find physical products to promote. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see right here shipping products. You can see they have skincare and food supplements. So any of them that you want, you can select it to promote. Apart from selecting products from a specific category, you can also sort the products by popularity, earning per sale, earning per cart visitor, publication date, cart conversion rate. Any of these factors that you want, you can use it to sort the product so that you can find the best product to promote. In this case, I'm going to be using the cart conversion rate. The cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So the higher the cart conversion, the likelihood that you will make a sale promoting the product. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the cart conversion. Once you click on it, the products are going to be sorted based on the cart conversion rate. You can see this product has the highest cart conversion rate. You can see it is 42%. What it means is that if you promote this product and then get people to click on your affiliate link, about 42% of those people who click on your link are going to purchase the product for you to make money. So let's say you are able to get 200 people to click on your link. Out of the 200 people, 42% of the 200 people are likely going to make a purchase for you to make money. There are many of them, so when you scroll down, you can see the next one. The cart conversion rate is 32%. When you scroll, there are many of them that you can select. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can select to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can get people to purchase it. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. This offer right here, you can see the cart conversion rate is very high, and you can see the commission rate is also high. You are going to be earning $63.52 per every sale that you get. You can see. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, you can be able to get your affiliate link. But before you get your affiliate link, you can click on the product so that you open it to get more information about it. As you can see, these are some details of the offer. You can see the price and other details. Now what you have to do is that you have to view the landing page of the product so that you can be able to get some basic information about the product. To view the landing page, click right here, sales page. Once you click on sales page, you can see this is the landing page of the product. This is exactly what your potential visitors are going to see before they purchase the product. It is a video, so your potential visitors are required to watch the video. Once they watch the video, they can be able to purchase it for you to make money. You can see everything. You can see it is a dating offer. If you don't want a product like this, you can select a different offer and then promote. As I scroll, you can see these are testimonials. People are getting results using this product. As I scroll, you can see these are testimonials. You can see the testimonials. You can see they have a refund policy of 60 days. So when your potential visitors purchase the product and they are not getting the results, they can request for a refund within 60 days. You can see it right here. So it's a legit product, but if you don't trust the product, you can come back on this store 24 and then select a different product. In my case, I don't like products like this, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go back and then select a different product. So just come back. Once you come back, you can select a different product to promote. You can see many other offers that you can promote. Just select the one that you want. What I usually like is that I promote offers under the shipping category. So click right here, shipping products. Once you click on it, select food supplements. I like promoting food supplements, so if you want, you can also promote a food supplement. You can see food supplements. Once you click on it, you can see these are the food supplements that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want and then promote it. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. I like promoting this offer and I do get sales with it. You can see the cart conversion rate is 22%. I like promoting it. So if you want, you can also promote a product like this. Now once you select the products, just open it. Once you open it, you can click right here, sales page. Once you click on it, you can be able to see the landing page of the product. I've been doing it, so I don't need to click on it. But if you are new, what you have to do is that you have to click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can be able to get more information about the product. Now once you're able to get more information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. When you click right here, copy promo link, you can get your affiliate link. So you have to begin promoting it so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. You can use free traffic source or you can use paid traffic source. Whatever traffic source that you want, you can use. In this case, I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to make money. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is freeastime.org. Freeastime.org is one of the best classified websites that you can use to promote your affiliate links. You don't need to pay for anything. You can post your ads on this website for free, and you can see these are the top countries where you can post your ad. You can see right here you can post your ad to any place that you want in the world. You can see you can post to people who live in the United States, Canada, Europe, Asia. You can see Oceania, Africa, South America. So any place in the world that you want, you can target and then get people to click on your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. My piece of advice is that always target the tier 1 countries. The tier 1 countries are the top countries where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product that you are promoting. The tier 1 countries are United States, Canada, UK, Australia, and New Zealand. Those are tier 1 countries that you can target because the people who live in those countries, most of them have the purchasing power to buy the product that you are promoting. So you can target those areas. When I scroll down, you can see these are the states in the United States. You can see everything. So what you have to do is that you have to create accounts so that you can be able to pass onto this platform. Create an account, click right here, my account. Once you click on my account, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see sign up now. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to scroll down and then enter your nickname right here. Once you enter your nickname, you have to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on it, you have to follow the prompt so that you can create your free accounts and then use it to advertise the product that you are promoting. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how you can advertise on this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post an ad, so that you can post your ad on the platform. Once you click on post an ad, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. You can see these are the 3 options that you can choose. You can choose a classified ads, you can choose a business listing, or you can choose sell a new product. Any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, the first one is suitable for the ad that we are going to be posting, so you have to select this option. Once you select an option, the next step is that you have to select the category of ad that you are going to run on the platform. You can see these are categories that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to select items. Once you click on items, you have to select the subcategory. You can see different items that you can sell on this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. In this case, we are going to select health items, so click on it. Once you click on it, you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the country that you are targeting and then a province within that country. You can also see a city. So for example, we are targeting United States. So what you have to do is that you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you can search for the United States. You can see United States, select it. Once you select it, the next step is the state that you are going to be posting your ad. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to select any state in the United States. So let's select this option. Once that is done, you can see choose the nearest city if your city is not listed. So you have to select a city within the state that you have selected. So just select any city that you want. Once you select the city, the next step is that you have to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to like this. You can see ad title and a description. So you have to write an ad title of the product that you are promoting and then a description. In this case, we are promoting this product right here. So what you have to do is that you have to copy the name of the product. Once you copy the name of the product, you can write an ad title about the product and then a description. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use an AI to write the ad title and a description. So what you have to do is that you have to come on ChatGPT. Once you come on ChatGPT, you can type a prompt and it will write a description like this for you. So let's copy the description and the title. So this is my title, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to highlight and then copy the description. Highlight and then copy the description. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to scroll down. You can see the price. You have to enter the price of the product here. So when you come back on this 224, you can see the price of the product right here. You can see $209.82. This is the price of the product. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter your name and your email contact. So write your name right here and then your email contact. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see phone number. If you want, you can enter your phone number right here, but in this case we are not going to enter any phone number, so just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to scroll down. You can see map address. It is optional, so just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to select the ad type. You can see they have individual ad, business ad, other ads. So select the one that you want. In this case, it is an individual ad. So select that and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see like this. Next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see website URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on this 224 and then click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Come back and then paste your affiliate link right here. Paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see video URL. If you have a YouTube video of the product, you can paste it right here, but in this case we don't have any video, so just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. You can see Facebook page, so you can paste the link to your Facebook page right here. From here they're going to keep on asking about your social media links, so if you want, you can insert your social media links like TikTok, LinkedIn, and then other social media platforms. I'm not going to enter any of that, so I'm going to skip all of them. Once you enter all your social media links, the next step is that you have to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. So what you have to do is that you have to open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, you can search for the name of the product. So let's search for the name of the product, Pinel X supplements. Search for the name of the product. Once you search for it, click on images so that you can get images of the offer. Once you click on it, you can see these are images of the offer. Right click on any of the images that you want to download. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once you click on it, click on save so that you can save the image onto your device. Once that is done, just download as many images as you want so that you can use them in your ad. So just download as many images as you want. Once you download the images, the next step is that you have to come back, click right here, choose file. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on choose file. Once that is done, select your image, click on open. shopping. As you can see, that has been done. Once you upload your images, when you scroll down, you can see they have different promotional options that you can select. If you want to post your ad for free, you can select basic. If you want to make a payment, you can select these two options. Any of them that you can afford, you can select it. But in this case, we want to post our ad for free so that when we get the sales, we can then select the premium options. So just leave it and then select basic. Once you select the option that you want, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then enter the verification number here. In this case, you can see it is 7. So what you have to do is that you have to type 7 in. Once you type 7, click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see submit. Click on it so that you can submit your ad onto the platform. Once you click on it, you can see your ad has been posted. So your ad has been posted onto the platform and you are going to be getting free traffic from the United States. Now what you have to do is that you have to keep on posting different ads onto the platform. Keep on posting different ads. This website, it is free, so you don't need to be lazy about it. Just keep on posting different ads so that you can get free traffic to your affiliate link. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.